Alrighty, new year, new content. On the table in front of me, I have 3 unibody plastic MacBooks. These are 2010, 2009, the last of the 13-inch MacBook breed, if you will. 2 of these I bought on Facebook Marketplace for very, very cheap. Like, we're talking 11 bucks per laptop. The third one is the one that I've had since 2019. I bought it for like 20 bucks on eBay. I've been playing around with it a little bit here and there. But I have this one here because I know all the parts that are present function. I cannot say the same about these two. So what we're going to do today, we're going to explore, poke around inside of these 2 laptops, both in hardware and software. We're gonna see if we can maybe learn a little bit about their life story. The guy that I purchased them didn't know anything about them because the guy that he purchased them from didn't tell him anything. And he wasn't a Mac guy, he didn't know how to get these up and running. So without further ado, let's get started. So I think we're gonna start with this one. This is not in great condition, but of the 2 that I bought, it is in the better condition. The back kind of still has a bit of grip to it. I mean, like, this is what it's supposed to look like, the rubber on the bottom. This is actually not bad. I've seen far worse. I mean, it's got a couple cracks on the hinge. Obviously, it's got a bunch of like micro scratches on top of it, some schmudges and gook and gunk and blech all over it. Now, I have played with this one a little bit. I just wanted to see if it worked and was alive, and then I decided I wanted to make a video on it. This one I know boots, and it boots into Windows 7. Yeah, I was super confused when it started booting just right into Windows 7. No Mac OS, no prompt, nothing. So this should have a full battery. I did charge it. Get a good view on the cam. That's new. We got some stage lighting down here on the bottom of the display. That was not there when I initially purchased it, so something has happened with the display in the month or so that I've had it, and I guess I did not restart Windows properly, I guess? I don't know, but we'll start Windows normally. Hopefully it doesn't take its sweet time. Any day now. No, like, really, today would be nice. So this is great. All right, let's try this. Let's force shut it off, and we'll try again. My keyboard isn't working. Enter, but enter works. Arrow keys don't. I'm going to shut her off again, and then turn her back on. And I'm gonna see if I can potentially get into a bootloader here. I pressed all 4 option keys 4 times the amount of chance to actually get something to come up here, and that did not work. Okay, this keyboard does seem to, no, it doesn't. Let's let it automatically try to start Windows instead of intervening. And that's exactly what I needed to do. Okay, patience, kids, patience. Sometimes it's all you need. Oh, okay. So it feels like we have touchpad drivers. Activate Windows now. Activation period has expired. We're not gonna activate. Boot camp, we do have a boot camp folder. Touchpad's not all there. I'm not getting any scrolling. Is English, like, not in this folder? Deutsch, Español, Francais, Italiano, no English. Product version 6.0.6000.16384. So that actually seems like the files that I have on this one. And it looks like they're all installed. Yeah, I got NVIDIA stuff on here, control panel, NVIDIA networking. No music, no pictures, no videos, no downloads. So it doesn't really look like there's much going on here. So we'll shut her down. I mean, like, display drivers seem to be, like, everything seems to be halfway intact. I'm actually going to unplug this, and I'm gonna crack the back off of it. I wanna actually see what we got in here. Okay, wow, that's actually pretty clean. All right, so we got a Toshiba hard drive. It's the OEM drive, and it's 320 gigs. So yep, this is seemingly the original configuration. The original battery, and then what do we got for RAM? Two gig sticks, 4 gigs of RAM. Okay, not bad. It's actually a lot better than mine. Mine only has 2. And running High Sierra on it was a nightmare. All right, so with this one out of the way, I'll throw the back cover on it, and let's take a look at the next one. All right, the next one is in very not great condition. First of all, it's missing the back. The inside of it looks pretty good. One of the stickers has been moved a little bit from friction. It does seem to be the original battery. It did not turn on when connected to a charger when I got it. I did want to poke around a little bit. That did not happen. OEM Hitachi hard drive, 320 gigs, another 2x2, so 4 gigs DDR3. Oh, yeah, that's not good. That has come clean off of the board, soldering and everything. There's this little connector here that has come off the board entirely. This is supposed to not do this. As I mentioned, there's no signs of life. It doesn't want to turn on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to Frankenstein it with my current laptop. Ooh, don't drop it, you little... I'm just gonna rip the bottom off of mine and we're gonna start transplanting some parts in here. See what we can get to actually function. Because right now I don't know if any of this laptop actually works. I'm actually gonna swap my RAM too. As I mentioned before, I have 2 1 gig sticks and I would prefer to get things to load today. I'm going to take out my hard drive, out with my 250 gig, grab this 320, plunk that in, slot that into the little carriage on the side, and we'll screw the bracket in. I guess I'll take the battery while I'm at it. So now we should be able to throw the battery in. I'm not gonna bother screwing it in. I'm just gonna throw the back plate onto it again. Plug her in, hopefully she shows some signs of life. The MagSafe lit up and is now amber, meaning that it is not only receiving, but hopefully storing power from the wall. Everything is working good so far. And the real question is, do we get... Nope, we get Mac OS. Okay, so this one's actually a Mac. See if we can get like a boot menu or something here. Okay, so it looks like it's got a recovery partition for 10.12.6, so it looks like it's running Sierra. But there's also a Windows partition right here, smack dab in the middle. I think we take a look at that, because if the drivers are installed correctly, we should just be able to see what's on the Mac OS partition starting Windows 7. Looks like drivers are installed here as well. Yo! This has got a bunch of games on it. Oh no, don't open uTorrent. I don't know. No. Oh, guys. Oh. It's all porn. All of it. Every torrent on this list, all 12 of them, is porn. Okay, moving on. Got Horizon, which, what the hell is that? The ultimate Xbox 360 modding tool. Got BlueStacks. Borderlands pre-sequel. Ooh, it's a repack. No, that's piracy, kids. Steam on here. Again, uTorrent, Borderlands 2, COD 4, GeForce Now, World at War, Phoenix Launcher, I don't know what the hell that is, Google Stadia, Minecraft, and BlueStacks again. Battery is charging. Holding a charge, 20% available. Battery works. All right, let's punch through some files. Downloads, nothing in downloads. Battlefield play for free. Untitled. Untitled is the Mac partition, so we can actually punch through here, see what's applications. Epic Games Launcher. GeForce Now. uTorrent app. So he's doing shady shit on both partitions. Windows 7 Home Premium SP1 64-bit is in your downloads folder. How much you want to bet that's torrented too? Let's play some games. Let's play Minecraft. See how good they were at Minecraft. Man, I miss like the glassy kind of feel of Windows 7, like up here in the corner. You know, that doesn't look bad. These were all made 1101 at like midnight. Let's look at their Survival Island world. We'll do one world and we'll hop on to some of the other games to see how they handle. I'm on a boat. There's a shipwreck. There's a house. Just kind of oh, never mind, hold up. No, she's just getting her bearings. She's just being acclimated to running for the first time in 2 decades, apparently. You know, this isn't bad. Again, it's not exactly what I would prefer. Playing experience, 7 out of 10. Building, like 6 out of 10. Call of Duty. I want to see how well this thing plays Call of Duty. Computer appears to have changed since last time you ran Call of Duty 4 Modern Warfare. Yeah, auto config. That doesn't look bad. They have made 0 progress in the campaign. This isn't terrible. Like, some of the detailing on the gun could definitely be a little better, but you know, just for letting it auto config, this isn't bad. All right. I mean, I didn't play the whole thing, but I'd say that's a solid 8 out of 10. We could definitely play that. Alright, what did we learn? Macs can be used as gaming PCs and they can do pretty damn well. Maybe not for like new titles, especially not on this. But like classics like COD 4 and just Minecraft, not bad. Considering I spent 11 bucks on this, really not bad. I hope you enjoyed, because this is pretty interesting. I was not expecting this. I was not expecting a gaming laptop in a Mac body. So yeah, it's a new year, more content, new content, more better. Get subscribed if you're not already. If you enjoyed this type of content, maybe give a couple of my other videos a look. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.